organ, prati ange ange, everywhere write Krishna's name. Krishna naam likhe diyo ange, lalate bahute Krishna naam lekhobi. Tulasi mal deobi gole. Radharani was telling prati ange ange Krishna's name and put the garland made by Tulasi. Then what will be? Gopis ask, what will be Radhe?